Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Nora. Today we're going to learn a short belly bolly choreography for beginners to the song Snake by Nora fatehi and derulo. I'm going to break down the technique that we will use and then we will apply it to our full choreo. I'm going to sort of sing through it and then you can go look at my short, which I'm going to link above, to see how it's applied to the music. Let's go. All right, let's begin with our hip lift. Moving into our hip shimmy and then straight leg shimmy. So feet are underneath hips, knees are soft, tailbone down, pelvis engaged, shoulders back and down, chest open, arms out to the side. We begin by moving the knee back, 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 back. That's going to help us straighten the leg, pulling our hips to our rib cage. Crunching the obliques. Very good. We can go double time. Da 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 da. Keeping that head silent. Knees are still bent. Your tailbone is down. Speeding it up. Taka 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 taka. And this is gonna get you into your hip shimmy. You want to maintain the same amount of knee movement you were when you were going slower. So if your shimmy's tightening up, take it down a notch and go slower. This is our hip shimmy. So from a side view, the hip shimmy is very over the center line of my body. What we're going to do in the choreography today is going to be a straight leg shimmy. So I straighten my legs, not locked. I keep the same knee movement going, and my posture is a little bit forward. As you can see, I'm a little bit more over the balls of my feet. So let's practice that. It's going to feel different in the body. All right, straighter leg, pulling up in your spine, go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, faster, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Yes. Keep breathing. A little faster. Taka, 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 taka. Okay. Remember, you're a little bit more forward. Weight is a little more on the balls of my feet. And this is our straight leg shimmy. From the side. Taka, 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 taka. Hip shimmy. See the difference? Straight leg, hip shimmy. Okay, that is our hip lift and different shimmy technique. Next, we're going to get into our pelvic lock. So from the side, I'm going to pull up and in and down, releasing to a neutral spine and down, up and down. And I have a lot of these techniques in my basics playlist, so go check that out. Up and down, up and down. Let it go. So we combine the pelvic lock and the hip lifts into a hip box, which will then turn into our internal Omi hip circle. So beginning on the right, right, up, left, release, right, up, left, release, smooth it out, right, up, left, release, right, up, left, release, right, up, left, release, right, up, left, release. Other side. Left, up, right, release, left, up, right, release, smooth it out. Left, up, right, release, left, up, right, release, left, up, right, release, left, up, right, release. Let it go. Shake it out. Next, we're going to get into our Maya or our vertical figure eight. I'm going to lift my heel to straighten that leg and pull that hip up and in. Next, I'm going to go out and down. Weight comes onto my right leg. Then I straighten my left, up, in, out, down. Other side, up, in, out, down. Up, in, out, down. Yeah. So imagine that you are drawing an infinity sign on the mirror or the wall in front of you. And push it out and out and out and out. Next, we're going to layer a hip drop onto that Maya. So we come up and in, out, down, and drop. Up and in, out, down, and drop. And drop. And drop. And drop. and drop. So you're using the straightening of that leg and the pulling up and in with the oblique to get your drop. Out and down, drop, out and down, drop. So this is our Maya with a hip drop. Next, we're going to take a look at our hip slides. So I'm sliding my hip out beyond the center line of my body. This is also in my basics playlist. I'm keeping my tailbone down. My hip scarf is parallel to the ground. Doon, doon. So stretching the obliques, keeping my core engaged so I can control it. Keep breathing. All right, next we're going to add in our pelvic pulls. So keeping that tailbone down, I put my weight a little bit over my feet. I'm pushing my pelvis out, being mindful of protecting my back, and then pulling in, out, and in, and out, and in, out, and in, out, and in. Okay, so we combine our slide and our pelvic pulls to get our horizontal hip circle. Starting with the right, slide right, front, left, back, right, front, left, back, smooth it out, right, front, left, back, right, front, left, back. Yes. Let it go. Other side. Left, front, right, back, left, front, right, back, smooth it out. Keep breathing. Remember to protect your lower back, pulling down that tailbone. Pulling in, pulling in. All right, let it go. So now we're going to apply that horizontal hip circle into a little bit of a different movement. So where my legs were hips width distance, I'm going to bring them in. I'm going to push that hip out to the side, pulling it down so that I don't get a tilt. Here, pulling it down. I'm going to sit back, almost in a chair yoga pose, keeping a flat back and my chest open. And then I'm going to push to the left in my slide and come up. So right, back, left, come up, and front, right, back, left, come up. So if we smooth it out, here's what we're looking for. Very good. Now from the side, this is my posture. I'm not here or too far over my feet. I'm sitting my bottom backwards and I'm going like this. My chest is still open even though my weight is coming a little more front. Very good. Very nice. Great work. Next, we're going to take a look at the undulation down and the undulation up. So a good way to do this is to practice it on the wall. So you make contact with your chest. Imagine there's a wall here. Make contact with your chest. You push the chest back, making contact with your ribs, then your abdomen, and then your pelvis. So chest, ribs, belly, pelvis. Chest, ribs, belly, pelvis. And you soften the knees into that movement. And then you can smooth it out into our undulation down. From the front. Very good. So the other side, I'm going to go the other direction. So I'm going to tuck that pelvis first, then contract my abdominals, my ribs, and then I'm going to bring my chest up to complete it. Once again, bending the knees, pelvis in, belly in, ribs in, chest, come up. Smoothing it out. The undulation is not easy. So this will take a lot of practice time, and you can use the wall to make sure that you're hitting every point, getting a continuous, beautiful wave. Great work. Moving on, let's practice our shoulder roll. So one at a time, starting with the right. Go up, back, down, up, back, down, up, back, down, up, back, down. Other side. Left, up, back, down, up, back, down, up, back, down, up, back, down. Other view. Up, back, down. Up, back, down. Up, back, down. Up, back, down. Try and keep the rest of your body silent. All right, so let's alternate. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Now adding in the arms. Let the movement come from the base of your arm. All movements are going to look better if they are coming from the core in terms of the legs or the arms. So my arm will respond to the movement of my shoulder as opposed to my arm driving the movement of the shoulder. So right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. You see how the energy of the movement travels down my arms though? So try that. But everything's coming from the shoulder. And it takes a lot of arm strength and a lot of control. There's a fair amount of tension in my body here. Keep breathing. Let it go. Nice. All right, next we're going to try our head slides. So put your palms up, make little L's. We're going to practice sliding our head as if we were touching our ear to our index finger. I'm going to slide left, slide right, slide left, slide right. If this is difficult, make it smaller. Always make it smaller. If you're getting this, just make it tinier. Very good. Let's begin our choreography. So we're going to face the right. I'm going to bend my standing leg, my right leg, and then left leg is giving this nice line with a pointed toe. My hands come out. This is our snake. And I'm going to make contact with my wrist, pretty fingers, look to the side, beginning with an undulation down, bend into that back leg, so a little bit of a squat or plie, and then reverse it up and bring your arms up where your wrists meet your forehead. So the lyrics are so hypnotizing, and that's what we're going to do on that lyric. Okay, so next, our left leg is free, our arms are up here. The next lyric says temperature rising, so similar tempo. Most all of our movements are going to be going with the lyrics. So I step with my left foot, stepping and turn out, which means my left foot is towards the left 45. Temperature, I'm going to pull my hands across my face. It's almost like I'm hiding and revealing. And then rising. Okay, so this is our arm movement. I want to make sure as I'm pulling my arms across, this is parallel to the ground. So none of this. More confident, more confident. And give a look. Okay, so starting from the beginning. So hypnotizing. Temperature rising. We just ended here. Right leg in front, left leg is free. I'm going to bring that left foot to my right, starting a counterclockwise hip circle to the back, like this. We're going to make it deep, sit in that chair pose. All right, the arms are going to come apart. As I bring my hip back, my arms come behind me, and then as I bring it forward and up, my arms come together. And then the lyrics say, I know you see my body moving like. So just arms, no hips yet. I know you see my body moving like. We're going to come into this snake position. Keep your forearms together, pretty fingers, and hands are right below the eye level so that you can still see your eyes. So when I bring my arms up at the same time, I'm doing 2 hip circles to the right. 1, 2, bring it down sharply. Let's start from the beginning and incorporate that. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. So hypnotizing. Temperature rising. Fuck being private. I know you see my body moving like. Very good. So right after that, I know you see my body moving like, and then she says, move it like a snake. So we go, move it like a snake. Okay. So this is a head slide, right, left, half a Maya on the right side with a hip drop. Then there's a bassy sound. We're still here. There's a bassy sound. My right leg comes out. My arms open up and out to my side. So we were here. Move it like a snake. Boom. Okay? That's not a lyrical part. That's more in the bass. So bend and squat in that left leg. Right leg comes out. Boom. Move it like a snake. So 4 shoulder rolls. Left, right, left, right. All right? So starting from this move it like a snake. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Move it like a snake. Doom. Move it like a snake. Doom. Yep. So next, we just did our shoulder roll. Excuse me. Arms are out to the side. They're going to gather up and in. My right leg comes in and my arms come up. Wrists are touching. Nice fingers. Okay? Right after that, we're going to do a Maya. So my right leg is free and I'm going to do 4 of those. Right, left, right, left. Very good. Let's put it all together from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. So hypnotizing. Temperature rising. Fuck being private. I know you see my body moving like. Move it like a snake. Doom. Move it like a snake. Doom. Move it like a snake. Very good. So right after that, something very cool happens. There's a little bit of a snake sound. So perfect place for a shimmy. You'll hear it. Move those arms down a little bit above chest level. Keep the same arm position. I do a straight leg shimmy here. So very good. And our ending, right arm comes up, flat palm, dunk, dunk. And then we windmill, bringing my weight onto my right leg. And this one pops into a nice showgirl. This palm is down and bent, and this one is up and bent. Okay? So we had, starting from the move it like a snake, 5, 6, 7, 8. Move it like a snake. Doom. Move it like a snake. Doom. Move it like a snake. Tss. And then, I know you see my body moving right. Or like lyrics. Yep. So, let's put it all together from the beginning. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. So hypnotizing. Temperature rising. Fuck being private. I know you see my body moving like. Move it like a snake. Doom. Move it like a snake. Doom. Move it like a snake. Tss. I know you see my body moving like. And that's our ending. Very nice work. Please go look at my YouTube short. You'll see the full choreography applied to the music. Please enjoy. If you dance to it and post it on social, please tag me. I'd love to see it. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.